Kabru Gypsy has just been through the most harrowing 24 hours of her life. Her daughter, just turned 2, almost died before her eyes.
We came yesterday but had no money. Then she just got worse.
Karu has malaria, one of the many children in this city sick with the disease. And just like them, Karu's family had no money to pay for treatment. So her mother gave up the family's most prized possession.
Across Africa, we take cell phones for granted. But here in Bangui, they can be the difference between life and death.
The rebels that seized control in March have spent the month since then squabbling over spoils and worse. According to UN officials and rights groups, they've terrorized the population, murdered and raped, and of course, looted. Hospitals were among the first targets. Outside the capital, there are no government hospitals functioning anymore. The hospital has no basic medicine such as antibiotics, and there's no X-ray machine anymore.
We try to provide whatever little medicine we get from aid agencies such as MSF and the Red Cross.
At the moment, the complex pediatric is the only functioning children's hospital in the Central African Republic. The hospital is so stretched that the administration has had to put out a tent with extra beds just to accommodate the children. For Bangui's other vulnerable people, the mentally ill, it's just as desperate.
This institution has been swamped with new cases since the rebellion. Since March, we've received over 1,000 new patients, and we continue to receive more.
Most of these patients have been traumatized by what they've seen and heard in the city since the rebels took control. We do not have the medication to treat them, Gomosa says. It's a tragic situation. Many here feel the world has abandoned them. Kabru Gypsy knows she has a lot to be thankful for. Her daughter's still alive. But Bangui is a city where few dare to think about the future. Robert Nagila, CCTV, Bangui, Central African Republic.